Well, there's the mock-up, or at least those are the real trucks, the ones that I would use. Those are brand new. Couplers off the back at the. I got it the way you wanted it. I'm pretty sure. Um, you wanted that tight in the back, and everything said front this way and that kind of thing. So I think I got it right. This is my old blue with just a piece of junk in there, and a concept of where the drawbar is going to be, and on this any engine, I suppose. I got to look at yours again, see what you've got in mind, but that's sort of what it would look like. And I've got a K5 connector that I've put in there. So if you want that to be tightened up somehow, I'll make a new connector. I can do that. Just tell me what you need. I can drill a hole and shorten that one, no problem. Not sure. Okay. And if you're going to put a plate somewhere in here where they swivel and the firemen can walk between them, that's another thing. We can do it, or you can do it. But in any case, it's down. It looks pretty darn good. Now I can look and see what do I have for space and how am I going to cram everything in there, okay? And still show your idea for smoke, coal and whatnot. Okay, that's where I'm at. It's 10 after 5. I'm still printing. We're going to be printing parts almost every day just to fill my kits up. As I use things, I like to add to them. So this is my truck assembly kit. I've got parts, screws, bushings, wheels, axles, everything I need pretty much in here to build a kit. It depends on what you guys need. I put one from that, two from that. I ran out of the little spacers, so I'm printing some more of them. Actually, I changed the design. I had to throw away about 20 of these. They were too big, so I'm printing 8mm diameter ones now. You see, if it gets too big, it impairs its ability to articulate. You made one, you learn, okay? So I'm going to 8. That gives us what we need. You got lots of articulation. And I like the way that's tucked back in there. Okay, that's where we are today with Leon's engine. This is his tender, okay? And his tender chassis. And this is my royal blue. His is somewhere in the box still. I'll get it out. I'll fit his chassis to it. I'm positive I'm going to have fitment issues. So I just went ahead and grabbed mine, threw it together, and just to get what I wanted to get was the alignment. This is on a, you can see there. It's on a pin, so it'll lay flat when it gets rolling, and it pivots real easy. Pivots on both sides, so but it's sturdy enough. For backing up and all, it'll work. All right, buddy, this is it. I'll post this because I'm having trouble sending you things. Okay. Oh, my flash was off. I don't know if that makes a difference, but all right. More later.